Hello everyone, finally Hyundai company is going to be launch its one more new SUV in Indian four-wheeler market which is upcoming Hyundai AI3 upcoming SUV, and Hyundai company is also uploaded a first teaser related to the launching of this upcoming SUV which is Hyundai AI3, and in the uploaded teasers we can clearly see the Hyundai company has done the a lots of changes and modifications in this upcoming SUV. In terms of looking and design, definitely this upcoming SUV get sportier look and design, and overall the looking of this upcoming SUV is really good, and definitely it will be attract the audience by its looking and design. In the front section of this upcoming SUV, it get round shape headlight, LED DRLs and new design front grills, and in the side section it get outer rear view mirrors in a body colored, and the company is also offered new design alloy wheels in this upcoming SUV. And after that, talking about the rear section of this upcoming SUV is really good. It get sportier vibe. The company also offered a round shape tail light, rear door and the branding of this Hyundai company. So after that, finally talking about the engine specifications of this upcoming Hyundai AI3 SUV. Maybe the Hyundai company will offer same engine specifications like Hyundai Venue. The engine specifications are 1.2 liter naturally aspirated petrol engine unit and 1.0 liter turbo petrol engine unit, and both are the best unit. Definitely they will provide the best performance in this upcoming SUV. So in terms of interior and the features, definitely the Hyundai company will offer premium interior in this upcoming SUV, and the Hyundai company will also offer the leather-rated upholstery. And in terms of features, definitely Hyundai company will also offer a lot of features like large size touchscreen infotainment system, and the system will offered with Blue Link car technology and sunroof, new design dashboard, cabin armrest, adjustable headrest and the sufficient amount of the boot space. So after that, in terms of safety features, the Hyundai company will also offer safety airbags, EBS with EBD, rear parking sensor and many more basic and safety features are also offered in this upcoming Hyundai AI3 SUV. So yeah, this is the basic features and specifications of this upcoming SUV, and after that, finally talking about the most important thing of this upcoming SUV, which is its pricing. Recently, the pricing of this upcoming SUV is not confirmed yet, but the expected ex-showroom pricing of this upcoming SUV is around 6 lakhs to 10 lakh rupees. And this upcoming SUV will be launched in festival seasons. So yeah, this is all the informations of this upcoming SUV. Hopefully you like it and enjoy it. Make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. So yeah, thank you for watching.